Morning, everyone. Yeah, we just had our family devotional here at the clubhouse. And napakaganda ng clubhouse. At because it's Sunday, may mga naliligo sa swimming pool kasi that's their only time to bond with their family. And for us, before we go to church right now, nagkaroon kami ng quick devotional and discussion about our Savior Jesus Christ. So let's enjoy the whole day today and serve everyone.
Happy Sabbath day.
Yes, happy Sabbath day. Going to church. Maglalakad lang kami ngayon kasi malapit lang, siguro mga 5 minutes. Right, guys?
Yeah. Taking pictures as well.
Yeah. Nagka-date ako ngayon, oh. Ganda. Walking date going to church.
Is it 8 to 10 minutes?
Yeah. Tingnan natin kasi kanina nasa 8:55 nung umalis tayo. So let's see anong oras tayo darating sa slow walking lang. Finally, we are here sa church. So it's a blessing kasi malapit lang yung church sa amin.
How many minutes? 8:55 kanina.
Yeah, 8:55. Time check. Oh, 9:01.
5 minutes?
6, yeah, 5 to 6. Actually, honestly, mga 4 minutes lang sa tingin ko. We're here in the church. Nakarating din kami in 6 minutes or 5 minutes. Ang bagal lang yung dalakan. No? Pero kung mas mabilis, mga nasa 3 minutes lang. Right, guys?
Yeah. That's true.
So, let's enjoy the whole day. Alright, let's go.
So in this chapel, there is
Ayun.
an elevator.
Yes, today. There is a baptism.
So this chapel has an elevator.
Yes, this is really friendly for those may
This
mga
lighting is humbling.
problema sa paa. Right? Kagaya ko, may problema sa paa. No? Nakalagay doon, bawal tumalon. Yan. Kasi nga naman, dahil sakto lang tong elevator, kaya mas safe kung hindi tumatalon-talon.
Merong isang malaking ospital na merong kapilya. Ang mamahala ron ay member natin. Kinabukasan may lumapit yung ano sa pagkakataon sa apartment. Hindi naman sa apartment pero marami nagpo-complain, hindi ka
Alright, wait.
Ano po first name din yung sister?
Santa.
Ayun, no?
Si Sarah. With a C.
Guys, we're done with our church service and good news, the mission papers of our 2 kids are here. Transferred na. So, they will process na, okay? So, we'll go home for lunch kasi mamaya meron kaming visiting, ministering. Bye-bye! So, mamaya meron tayong ministering and then the SA, they have activities sa Sorrento Clubhouse, right?
At 2 p.m.
At 2 p.m. It's almost 2. At ngayon, dahil grumpy na si Hamilek kasi gutom na, look at his face. Grumpy. Very grumpy. Ayan. So right now, we will gonna walk again. Kasi malapit na. Yeah. Maglalakad po kami dahil malapit lang yung bahay namin. Ayan. Okay. We are